Hi friends, due to COVID-19, restaurants, pubs, hotels were the first to close and will be the last to reopen. Most affected industry due to coronavirus is the food industry. Global food service market is around 4 trillion US dollar. Do you know that? COVID-19 pandemic will not last for years, my friends. It will go in some more months. Things will change sooner. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. And this is the time to reinvent our restaurant business model as per the current situation and our position. Every restaurateur need to adopt the change. We aim to overcome this darkness. We and entrepreneurs are warriors and we will fight this war. So I want to share some tips to overcome this post-COVID-19 recession. So I am sharing with you 10 important solutions. The first one is rent. So my friends, go and meet your landlord and renegotiate the rent amount. Take some discounts for last months when the lockdown was there and convert your discounted rent in installments. See, you also need to consider the landlord's perspective as they are also facing financial crisis due to COVID-19. They do have a property taxes. They also has a payment to pay to the banks as a EMI. So discuss all the current challenges, their consequences with them, and definitely I believe they also don't want to keep their property vacant in a current situation. Second, material suppliers. Talk to your purchase suppliers, material suppliers, renegotiate your purchase rates, give them a business in current situation. Definitely they will discount you and grab some good credit rates that will help you for a positive cash flow. Next, redesign food menu and rearrange your sitting layout. Friends, start with your limited dish menu. That will help you to save your money on inventory as well as it will help you to control the food wastages. Make sure menu ingredients are easily available in the market in a low cost in a current situation, and most importantly it can be cooked and served easily and quickly with a minimal staff. You also need to rearrange the table layout as per the social distancing norms. Develop partitions in between every tables and chairs to avoid human touch. That is very important for a post-corona. Okay. Next, employee. My friends, communicate and discuss with your employee about your challenges, your limitations and your solutions. Don't fire them as they have a family, and most importantly they are our family. If possible, talk to them and discount their salaries, get some installments to pay their balance salary, and most importantly restructure your organizational hierarchy. Make changes in job descriptions and role of every staff. Your staff need to be flexible and adaptable to the new challenges and conditions. Train your employee to become a multitasker and productive. And you should be open for a part-timer and freelancer employees in your future. Next, hygiene and safety, which is very, very, very important in current situation. Ensure regular cleaning and disinfecting the dining area as well as kitchen area. Provide alcohol-based hand sanitizer to customer and also staff. Make sure all the purchases are properly sanitized before their use. Use thermal gun daily for temperature check of staff, delivery guys, and definitely customers. Make compulsory use of mask and hand gloves to every staff. Follow the guidelines of government department, health department to make sure your customer should feel safe and confident in a post-lockdown era. Next, use of technology and digital marketing. This is very, very vital and important. Adopt contactless dining, digital menu, contactless payment facilities. As per your business model, start developing maximum automation and process-driven work. And emphasize on digital marketing. My friends, keep in mind, out of sight is out of mind. Next, food delivery and takeaway. See, due to social distancing, customers' visit to restaurants will be low, and due to your new sitting arrangement, which create a partitions and distancing, that will definitely decrease your sitting capacity, and that will affect your restaurant business. So you have to focus more importantly on food delivery and takeaway business. Currently, the food aggregators charge huge percentage of commission, which is not affordable in current situation. So talk to them, renegotiate the commission percentage with aggregators, and don't depend on anyone. Start your food delivery with your existing staff and your existing customer database. Next, appeal bank and government authorities. See, everywhere in the world, all the restaurant and hotel organizations are appealing government for bailout package, as the job of billions of people are on stake. They are appealing for postponing EMI of financial institutions. They are also appealing for a cancellation of a tax, government fees and other charges for a certain period, so they will have some funds to pay the other expenses. They are also requesting bailout package for their employees' salaries. Next, be unique and create your brand. Post COVID-19, some people will lose their jobs, and definitely some people will get discounted salaries and business income will be at their low. So what will happen? Spending on restaurant will decrease. So customer will prioritize their spending on value for money deals. Definitely, customer will visit the restaurants who they trust. Post coronavirus, obviously, people will be more conscious about hygiene, safety, and quality. So by giving best quality food, service, and safety, it's a great opportunity to become a unique brand in your restaurant segment. Next, last but not least, our 10-point working capital. Restaurant business has a heavy fixed operating expenses. To run the restaurant business, you require a good cash flow. Generally, more than 30% of restaurants fail due to lack of working capital. If postponing and discounting your payments and your current cash arrangements don't help you to run your business properly, I will suggest you two options. First option, go for an investor partner and share your equity. But please don't take any kind of loan or any kind of credit line. The second option, sell your business. I know it's a very difficult decision, as emotional as well as financial. So I will suggest you, as you understand your business model better, so do feasibility study of your current financial as well as overall market situation. Write down pros and cons of all the options. Talk to experts, discuss with family and friends, and take a decision. My friends, nothing is right or wrong. And we may lose the battle, maybe, but not the war. And remember, our first aim is to survive. And I strongly believe we on Entrepreneur are champions, and we will come out of this darkness. Thank you.